welcome back. Today we are making some incredibly juicy and flavorful chicken skewers in the air fryer. This recipe is packed with flavor and super easy to make. Trust me, you're going to love it. So let's dive right in. First and foremost, you're going to soak your skewers in water for at least 10 minutes. This prevents them from burning while cooking. Alright, so our next step is to cut our chicken. Okay, I'm using chicken thighs, but you can use chicken breast or you can use beef if you want. Okay, I'm going to go ahead to cut them into a bite-sized chunks. Okay, once that is done, we'll go ahead and transfer it into a bowl. Moving on to the next step is to season our chicken. And I'm also going to list all the ingredients and the measurements in the description box for you to check it out. So to that, I'll add in some ginger powder, some garlic powder, some onion powder, some Suya spice, a seasoning cube, and lastly, we'll go ahead to drizzle some oil. Once that is done, we'll mix everything together until our chicken is well coated. Look at all that goodness. We'll go ahead to thread the seasoning chicken pieces into my skewers, making sure not to overcrowd them. Then place it on a plate while I finish the rest of the chicken. So with the chicken, you don't really need to marinate it. You can just go ahead and air fry it right away. So we'll go ahead to place our chicken in the air fryer in batches because our air fryer is not big enough. So our first batch, I'm going to bake it for 20 minutes at 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Making sure you're flipping them halfway through to get that perfect golden brown color on both sides. So I'm going to repeat the same process with the second batch. Bake it for 20 minutes at 375 degrees. While the chicken is cooking, let's make a flavorful glaze. Okay, in a small bowl, I'm going to combine peanut butter paste, a little bit of the Suya spice, and some butter, or you can use oil. I will microwave it for a few seconds until it's smooth and melted. Once the chicken skewers are done, we'll go ahead to brush the sauce all over them for that extra layer of flavor and shine. Okay, and that's it, guys. You have yourself a delicious juicy chicken skewers you can impress your guests with or your family with. It's super easy. Trust me, you're going to love it. They are so juicy and perfect for any meal or snack. It was so good. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, click on the bell notification so you never miss out on any of my new delicious recipes. And if you try this recipe, let me know in the comments how it turns out. Until I come your way with another deliciousness, please stay blessed and happy. Bye, guys.